Welcome back to the Pixel Pub. Today we're unboxing the T-Force Delta RGB Eco DDR5 RAM. This is a 2x16 GB DDR5 6400 MHz CL32 kit, generously sent over by TEAMGROUP. This RAM is going into the Pixel Pub stream PC, and I'm excited to check it out before we fully put that PC together. Right away, TEAMGROUP keeps things clean with their packaging, minimalist but still very sleek. And when we open it up, right on the top, of course, we've got that shiny T-Force badge. Absolutely gotta love these. And then of course, the two distinctively shaped sticks of RAM with a bold metallic design. You can already tell that this kit is designed for high performance and aesthetics. The RGB light bar runs across the top. It's designed to sync up with all the major motherboard lighting software: AuraSync, Mystic Light, RGB Fusion, Polychrome. Any of those should work. But what I think is one of the coolest features is that TEAMGROUP has gone with eco-friendly materials, 100% post-consumer recycled plastic and 80% recycled aluminum, not to mention all of the responsibly sourced packaging. Make sure you check out all of those details on their website, which will be linked below. Performance-wise, 6400 MHz CL32 is honestly a sweet spot for DDR5, balancing speed and latency for streaming, gaming, and of course content creation. And 32 GB is plenty for all of that as well. This should work perfectly for everything we're going to be doing with the Pixel Pub stream PC, which I'll be doing a full video for soon. So make sure you subscribe and check back later for that full build video. Let me know down in the comments, would you rock this kit of T-Force Delta Eco DDR5 RAM? Until next time, keep creating, keep streaming, and cheers from the Pixel Pub.